Welcome to You Found the Fix, where we have the fix for you. In this episode, we'll be removing rust from an appliance, a washing machine. These are the items you'll need: safety glasses or goggles, needle nose pliers, screwdriver, drill, crimped wire wheel for sanding, spray paint, safety mask, a vacuum, exacto knife, and painter's tape. First, you'll want to assess your work area, taking note of any loose paint, rust, dust, and anything that needs to be removed. Next, you'll want to vacuum that work area to ensure you remove all loose paint, rust, dirt, and debris. Here's a pro tip. Be sure to secure any crevices or holes that a screw can fall into. Remove all screws and brackets from your work area. If you find that a bracket is hard to remove, leave it in place if possible and just remove the door or lid instead. Here's another pro tip. Place all your removed pieces in a safe place so you can easily locate them. Now that the lid is out of place, let's re-vacuum that area once again to ensure that we've removed as much debris, loose paint, and rust as we possibly can. Our next step is to use our crimped wire wheel to sand our work area. Be sure to use gloves because this piece can be very wiry and sharp. Secure your wire wheel to your drill. And now you can begin sanding away the rust. Here's another pro tip. Use a smaller crimped wire wheel for reaching corners and crevices. Here we're using a 3-inch, but also recommend using a 1 or 2-inch or even smaller for hard to reach places. Be sure to sand away as much loose paint and rust as you possibly can from the entire door. Don't forget to sand away scratches and dents as well. Use a soft, damp cloth to wipe away your debris. Now you're ready to spray paint. Be sure to follow the instructions on the can and to use even strokes. You want this to be a smooth, even coat. Continue to paint evenly until you've achieved full coverage. While your lid or door dries, you can now sand your appliance and remove all rust and loose paint. Use a soft, damp cloth to wipe away your debris. Here's a pro tip to keep in mind. Using painter's tape can help you avoid painting areas that you don't want painted. By using an exacto knife, you can cut away any excess tape and get the best coverage. Be sure to tape off all small areas that you don't want painted. Here's a pro tip. For large areas that you don't want painted, you can use cardboard to block that area. Now let's wait for all the paint to dry. Remove all your painter's tape. Reattach your lid or door. Remove your safety blanket. And just like that, your appliance is restored and all your rust is gone. Thank you for watching our video. If any of this information helped you today, please like, share, subscribe, save, and donate to our channel. We've got a lot of great new projects that we want to share, and your donation helps us get there. Thanks.